wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we kind of put together. Come here, cause it's time. Hold you for right now.
Subscribe.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like baby fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. I wanna be in your life until the night is over.
So this is the finished look. Yeah, rise and shine. Yeah. This is the finished look. So what do you guys think? Cause I feel like it's really giving Tapins. Like I feel like Jada fucking waited. Like I love this look. I have been outgrowing lace to an extent. Not really outgrowing it, but I just feel like it's so annoying to like have to redo your lace every day. And I have a head full of hair and I never wear my hair out. All of my friends, my mom keeps encouraging me to wear my hair out. So this is kind of like an in-between. I can wear my hair out, let my hair braid, but show my natural hair a little bit more and still have the look of extension. So it's like a win-win for me. Yeah, all the links, all the products I use will be linked in the description bar. And have a nice weekend, you guys, or have a nice day. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, so have a nice day. And again, if you want to see this look, check out the video linked in the description bar. It should be the last video, hopefully, but it might be the next video. I don't know when I'm gonna post them or what order they're gonna be posted in. It just depends on how I feel when I'm editing. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, check out my socials, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to post more. I want to kind of get into my content girl era. Like I really want to create good content on Instagram as Leah's Space, and I feel like I can go on her Instagram and literally get inspiration. So I kind of want people to go on my Instagram and get inspiration, but I'm also like I'm not a fashion girl, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm kind of trying to remix my Instagram in the midst of me redoing my shop, and I'm kind of realizing that my face is out there a little bit more, my name is out there a little bit more, so I need to be mindful of what I'm posting. Yeah, bye.